order to make a video look A1, you have to have good lighting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey Banja! If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Salima. Welcome to our channel. We are a group of sisters who make content about our faith. We do makeup, beauty, some fashion, reviews, and everything in between. So if that's content you would like to see, definitely hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that every time we upload, you are first to be informed. And for our returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with us and for coming back. Thank you for all the engagement, for the likes, and just for showing us so much love. We really appreciate you and we do not take you for granted. So today's video
is all about light.
Right? I am super excited to show you this ring light that I received. I will be unboxing it with you and then setting it up and also just playing around and seeing if it's super user friendly. So if you would like to see that, stay tuned. So this is the ring light. I don't know if you can see it, but I received it from Amazon, and the company is called Ivisii. I'm not sure if it's like, I don't know. It's called Ivisii. Well, anyways, so let's get right into it. So it came with this bag, which I'm super excited about because the ring light that we've been using didn't come with a bag. So I'm excited about finally having a bag. Okay, let's see what's in store. There's nothing else inside, and that was at the bottom. I think this is the tripod. So it's got this little knob right here for the bottom part, and then it's got these three knobs right here to adjust the length. Once you twist that at the top, you're able to adjust these back and forth. So when you get it to your desired length, you would just tighten it up here, and that's it. Voila! So it comes with 4 of these. Okay, that's not it. So I'm going to show you how the insides look. So it's just got this light panel. I prefer the light panels in comparison to my old ring light. My old ring light actually has light bulbs, which when we were transferring back and forth, we were scared would break. So I love that it has this light panel as opposed to the light bulbs. That took longer than it should have. Hopefully you have better luck putting it together than I do. But seriously, it's not complicated at all. So as far as the back, it has the on and off switch. This is the 2 portions where you would put the batteries. This is where you would adjust the brightness. And the other thing that I like about it is this charging port. So if you need to charge your phone or you need to charge your camera, you would be able to use this, which is, I really love that. The other thing is this is where the power source goes, right here. So to put it in there, just unscrew it up here, which moves that, and you would unscrew this portion to attach it. So this was the last thing that I haven't opened that was in the box. Just move this out of the way. Oh, the instructions are in the box. So this is the little user's manual. It also comes with the mount for your phone, and then this would be the mount for your iPad, and then your power source, and this is the piece that connects to the mount, and it comes with a bag for the tripod. It was super easy to get it together. Now I'm just going to plug it in and see how it works. So I'm sure this part is pretty self-explanatory. That connects into that. So this portion goes right there. And you plug this into the power source. I hope you can see that. So this part unscrews. This part right here, I'm not sure if you can see that. So once you put it in, I guess you screw that portion. It's nice and steady. And for demonstration, I'm going to use Malachi's phone. And to make the mount bigger, you just unscrew it right there. Okay, we got it. So once you put it in, you just mount it like so. When it's on this side, it's on power. When it's on this side, you're using the battery. This is the power source where you connect the power, and then this button right here adjusts the brightness. So if you want it warm or you want it cool. So if you want the white light or you want a mixture of the orange and the white. Now, let's turn it on. Can you see that? So that's how it looks. So overall, I'm super excited about my purchase. I can't wait to step up my lighting game, and this ringlet is going to do just that. I will put all the information about the ring light in the description below. I will also put my discount code in the description box if you would like to purchase this ring light. It was $109, but if you have Amazon Prime, it does cut it down to $89.99, and with the 30% off, you even get more off your purchase. See, I'm saving you some coins. Now, don't say Beat by Banda hasn't done anything for you. See, I'm saving you money. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you have any questions about the ring light, please put them in the comments and we will definitely return all engagement. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.